Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this monTEK Swivel Bike Wall Mount. No heavy lifting, required a bike wall mount. This is the bank hangers for garage. It's a space-saving bike rack garage, easy to load and unload. This bank hanger can hold up to 77 pounds. And you can see it's available in a 1-pack, a 4-pack, or a 2-pack. That's really cool because this is the best for road bikes, for mountain bikes, hybrid, e-bikes, eMTBs, BMX, city, and so on. But no fenders, okay? If you have no fenders, you can attach this and you can have fun with that. The width of the tires can be more than 3.54 inches, up to 16 inches, up to 29 inches wheel diameter, included the tires. It's designed to be installed on wood stud wall, concrete walls, as you like. We enjoy a hassle-free bike storage experience with this easy load bike wall mount. No more struggling with the heavy lifting. All we need to do is we balance our bike on its rear wheel and smooth roll it into the rack. When not in use, this bicycle wall mount can be folded. This saving valuable space in our garage, for example. This makes storage a breeze with our easy load bike wall hanger here. This is a no lifting bike wall mount. It's not suitable for bikes with fenders too. And we have an optimized storage with this monTEK Swivel Bike Wall Mount. It stands out from the traditional bike stands, hooks or poled systems. This swivel bike rack features a unique 120 degrees pivot function that effectively frees upper floor space. Will maximize wall utilization. This swivel design facilitates easy loading and unloading of the bikes by smoothing rotate left and right. We trust in the monTEK Garage Bike Rack for a convenient and space-saving storage solution. And we customize the fit for our bike regardless of its size with the monTEK 3 level flange adjustment feature, designed to hold wheels from 16 inches up to 29 inches in diameter and up to 3.5 inches wide. It adaptively fits various bike types, of course, including mountain bikes, road bikes, cruisers, folding bikes, and children's bikes. The monTEK vertical bike wall mount is ultimate selection for discerning cyclists who prioritize quality and comfort use. And it saves us a lot of space in our rooms because monTEK is a professional bike mounting solution provider. monTEK is one of missions to redefine the way other entities store their bikes at home or in the garage. They provide innovative and space-saving bike mounting solutions for residential spaces, garages, and public areas that seamlessly blend adventures and organization too. At monTEK, the quality isn't just a feature, it's an unwavering promise. They assure every product is built to be durable and withstand the best test of time. And that's right, because we have a big metal, a solid body of that, with swivel on the wall bike rack, and with space saving. And if you attach it on the bottom area, no lifting, easy to use, and it protects the bike and the wall. We free up more available spaces and keep a clean look in our garage, in our home, as we like. We have on the wall bike rack. We frees up more space. We can swivel it from 60 degrees up to 60 degrees plus. And the weight capacity is 35 kilograms. These are 77 pound. That's enough for a pedelec, for example. It comes with a good rotation size, space-saving design, and with a swivel arm. Around 60 degrees rotation is possible. No lifting and easy to use. Effortless load and unload your bike easily with this up here. That's cool. And we have a 3-level length adjustment. The tire meter from 16 up to 29 inches and the tire wide of 3.5 inches are available and possible to attach on this mounting device. It's cool in garage, in a tool house, or in apartments. Really cool in apartments too, as you can see. So this big bunch of possibility makes it possible to store our bicycle on the wall in a garage or something else. This all is possible with the monTEK Swivel Bike Wall Mount. And you have more, because you have a saving hooks. 2 of them are available in that set. So you can hang your helmet on it too, or another bag to it. All kinds of assembly stuff is included. So the only thing you have to drill 4 holes for the swivel bike wall mount, and maybe 4 holes for the rear wheel additional part. So you have to drill 4 holes and get this into position. After you get this in position on your wall, you can attach your bicycle onto it. And that's so easy because it is rotatable. And that makes it so nice because it's a space-saving stuff in your garage, for example, to store all kind of bicycles, or nearly all kind of bicycles, on this stand on the wall. That's really cool. That's the monTEK Swivel Bike Wall Mount. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!